Oh, believe me, I'll probably find it. Yes. What?
Do you see the panda bear down there?
No, I missed it.
There's a panda bear behind the back of a tree down there. This member of staff's knowing there, yeah, you spotted it. All these little details you got to spot where you got a chance to. It's like looking for old footers for old rads and stuff. There used to be sunken gardens somewhere around here somewhere. Get some unusual views which you never can get.
Get these here.
Very few people will have these views. Other than staff. You're probably sick of seeing the views.
No, I'm from Nickelodeon.
So it's unusual for yourself to be over here as well.
Just gotten a bit lost.
Yeah? Wow, look at these ski jumpers up there. There's loads of them. See, I've seen this bit because I take my daughter on my kiddie rides. My daughter gets to go on these.
The Alpine.
Yeah, yeah.
When I was in Taiwan, we went to one of the parks there and they had a dart ride like Indiana Jones. Yeah. We got to walk around orbit. Yeah. But we didn't disable the track. The track is still live.
Yeah, because I've always been tempted to like stop the car, but I just know I'll get shouted at as soon as I stop it. And a little kiddie carousel as well.
I was here 2 weeks ago with my kids.
They love it. It hasn't been running, hasn't it, not since for a little while.
No.
It was Jeremy who was always on it, weren't he?
Oh, I wouldn't know.
Yeah, he was always running it for ages, but he's been on the carousel quite a lot lately. I'm just going to go over this side as well.
Does he laugh all night?
Yeah, I think he...
Ken,
It would be ridiculously creepy.
Ken Dodd,
Yeah.
constantly laughing in your head all day long. So you can't even get some of these views really,
No.
because you're underneath here. So you just stop that little bit and you're not quite exactly the same view.
Walking around the Grand Prix track would be so funny. Yeah. He seems to think so.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Unusual view of Arcon, eh? Yeah. You don't normally get that view of Arcon. The giraffe.
That's it, see, you're on now.
It's quite tight over, isn't it? You don't realise when you're actually on it. And you don't realise the roof at on Eddie Stobbard, which is, what's that from? That's from like when it used to be themed as something different, isn't it? Really?
Like Hansel and Gretel or something.
Yeah. Well, there used to be the dark ride down there, near where oh, what were it called? 80 Days Around the World or something like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking about that.
But I've never noticed the theming of that still being in like the candy.
I remember one
We need to keep moving because they're catching
there was
up.
one called the Greatest Show on Earth, wasn't
We
there?
have the greatest show on earth, yeah.
Is that the one you're talking about?
Probably.
But around
We have the greatest show on earth. It used to fly around, didn't it, in the air? It used to be a bit like Disney's.
wasn't it?
Yeah, a little bit like Disney's. Oh, what is it? Peter Pan. Peter Pan. Yeah, it's similar. Probably the same mechanism as that. Probably Arrow. See, even when you go on Eddie Stobbard, you don't really get to see it from this view because you go around and. All the mushrooms as well.
A camel over there as well. Giraffe.
Oh, there's all sorts of stuff on Eddie Stobbard. Somebody's whacked that pipe.
Make sure to watch your head on that.
I would, eh? It's pretty low.
Yeah.
This concrete one looks even worse, huh?
Yeah. Might be better coming over this side of it.
I'm alright. I can become a hunchback for you.
Yeah.
Ah,
That'd be the maintenance day now, I guess.
Yeah.
the good old monorail. The fact everybody's filming different stuff, it means that even if you've done it,
Turn around and look at the stuff behind you.
good. Yeah, I guess. So much steel work just on the big one just round here, and you don't even realise there's like as much steel around here as what there's in most roller coasters in the country when you think about it. I remember seeing it in Bolton as an apprentice on the floor at the workshop at Bolton as they were fabbing it up, and there was so much of it, and it's like obviously nobody'd seen anything like it back then.
No.
Yeah, because it was the biggest roller coaster ever made at that point.
Yeah.
Like the Ultimate was the biggest up until that point, and that was like wood and steel, weren't it?
Yeah. It's just how this manages to go in and out, so all the different rides, like the amount of rides we're going over and under.
Yeah.
How that all these different rides are managed to fit in the little space we've got at Pleasure Beach.
Pleasure Beach's version of the backside of water, I guess.
Air conditioning. Don't forget the blue pipe. Oh, I'm not filming it. You do get some really weird views, don't you? Wow, that is. I've been on this so many times, never even noticed that. Go on, you get yourself a photo done. Oh, it's a lamp. Wow.
What that is?
Yeah, it's a lamp, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a lamp.
Go on then.
Lamppost. Oh my goodness me!
Very low here.
This is where you normally the embarrassing part of a Grand Prix when everybody's looking at you in the Archon queue, like, what are you doing driving a Grand Prix car?
This is a fast track thing.
It's amazing how I didn't realise it was an hour guard. I couldn't believe when I went Disney World that they were still using the petrol vehicles.
Yeah.
And you use that switched off, and it was stunk so much in Disney World. And it's like crazy because they've got so many more cars as well on theirs, and it's so.
Must cost a lot more.
Yeah. But obviously diesel in America for up until recently has always been pretty cheap, hasn't it?
Yeah.
That is an unusual. Oh, we're coming up to the mural here.
Two on beach 5, please. That's park clear again. Fountains are off, and just the pleasure beach is left.
I don't recall actually.
I really don't recall.
I've entered the station so many times, I can't remember if I was there. It looks new, but
I wasn't expecting
and it's not quite finished on the inside. It's all got
beach.
Bits of the beach, yeah. Not sure where.
Toss up for the breast there, you know. That's what you want. How many is it, Lee? Count them.
A lot of them. My channel's gonna grow suddenly. Try not to film any of me. Thank you very much.